All right, so today at Twinkle Tunes and Lighting, we are going to be helping my brother, in fact. This is Side Hustle Adam coming out with the ladder. We're going to be putting some Govees up on his house, the Govee Elites. How's that ladder going?
It's pretty long. We'll see if it works.
Yeah, well, here we go. These are what we're working with here. We got these from a big box store. I don't know if I can say the name. Can we say the name?
Costco after Christmas clearance. Picked them up for about $125 a piece.
You can't beat that, 125 bucks. It's gonna look like $1 million.
No.
Yeah, well, it rhymes with Costco. That's where we got these. Yeah, got them on sale, and they're the Govee Elites. They look great, easy to install. We're not doing the track system. I don't have the tracks. I'm not an installer. I'm just a dude who runs Twinkle Tunes and Lighting. Time for a dance break. Let's go. All right, so we got everything laid out and ready to go. These Govee Elites come with everything you need in the box. Clips, cables, even the controller. It's super simple setup. We started by planning out where each strip would go, making sure the runs line up clean across the roof line. The adhesive on these actually sticks really well. I'm really impressed with how flexible the strips are. They contour right along the edges and around the corners with no problems. The coolest part though, once you power these up, the colors are crazy vivid. It's wild how far Govee's come with their lighting tech. Anyway, we're gonna keep running these along the roof line, finish up along the front side before it gets dark, then we'll fire them up, see what kind of magic we've made. So we're about halfway through with installing the Govee Elite. You can see we got a few on the roof up here. And I've got my, my nephew Jackson up here. He's up here on the ladder. We got the Elites going on. They look really good. Ran into a little issue of not having a soffit. Here, I'll put in a picture of what it looks like. And not having a soffit's tough. So we went to Home Depot and we got some of these little flats. We slide those underneath the tile, paint them black so they look good. Slide them underneath the tiles, and that's what we're attaching the lights to. Turns out really well. I can't wait to see it at night. We'll come back at night and see what it looks like. Listen, we are not professional. We're just some people who bought some lights. We're just gonna try to put them on there. I mean, he's dressed like a professional. No, he's a plumber.
I just got off of work.
Yeah, and we're helping Side Hustle Adam here. Hashtag Side Hustle Adam. That's what we're trying to figure out. But this is how we do it. I don't know how you do it. Show me how you do it. This is how we do it. All right, here he is. He's trying to get into this small crevice. Now, as you can see, he's doing all the work, and I'm just kind of sitting on the ladder and filming. Jackson, what do you think about that?
I think it's all right. You did most of the other lights.
That's true. I did do most of the lights. It's not even my house. I'm not even getting paid for this.
Me neither.
Where's the guy that's paying us?
I live here.
Oh, that sucks. Anyway, lights are gonna look great. All right, so Jackson's gonna go up. He's gonna show us some of the challenges that he's running into, or he's just gonna show us how he's doing it.
I need more.
Oh, you need more supplies. You need more supplies. Here's like 3.
That'll work.
You need 6. Hold on, I'll be right back. We got him some supplies. Let's jump up there and see how he's doing. See if he can give us some insight of what's going on up there.
Good evening. We got these plates, right? We're putting them under the roof tile. We've cleaned them off with, rubbing alcohol, oil, and gunk off of it so it sticks, right? Put it under here. Sometimes we have to bend it, so the ladder comes in handy. Just bend it on the ladder a little bit. And then we're gonna tuck it under the roof. You just move it where you need it. And you don't need to be exactly on it, but it's good to get most of it on it, right? You can take the sticker off. It's probably the hardest part. You make it rain, you make it stick. And look at that. She's a beauty. Well done.
What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna have myself a little bit of a little monster break here. Seeing him work up there has got me working up a little bit of an appetite. Hey, are you okay?
I'm killing it.
He's doing all right. Until then, you're doing great, bud.
Thanks.
We're about to put in the last few sections. These Elites, they have 150-foot lengths. So we were able to start one of the 150 footers in the middle of the house. We went to the left, and the other 150 footer, we went to the right. Power comes down right here in the middle. And so we have plenty almost to wrap the entire house. It's looking great. It's looking really good. We'll give you more updates as we go. Start the next one right there. See, these are the decisions I have to make as the foreman. I pour myself a drink. He asks me questions. I make executive decisions. We move on with life. It's delicious. Do you want any?
No, I'm all right.
So, let me get up on this ladder. Tell me what you know about Twinkle Tunes and Lighting.
I know they do fabulous light shows, and they teach you pretty much how to do anything you want to learn.
So from today, what have you learned?
I've learned about how to hang these johns.
Yeah, not fun.
I mean, it's all right.
All you got to do is you do it once though, and you don't have to hang them again.
True.
That's the beauty of it. Hey man, I'm just proud of you.
I appreciate it, bro.
I'm not sure what. Hey, move that one over. Yeah, go one more over. Make it look better.
I don't wanna.
Move it over a tile so it's not in the. Looks terrible. Glad I got up here. Sorry, I didn't mean to yell at you. Are you subscribed to Twinkle Tunes and Lighting, Jackson?
You know I am. On Facebook, on Instagram, on YouTube.
And now we're blowing it up on TikTok. It really looks like he's struggling up there.
Go in.
You sure you don't want a cold drink?
Nah.
All right, I'll just keep drinking mine then.
I'm hammering in the tile with the knife.
Is this because we lack the appropriate tools?
We lack a hammer. It's on the ground, but you know, it's okay.
I'm not about to get down and go get it. I could go get it for you.
I lost a plate. She's back there somewhere.
This is terrible. Let's just leave it.
What?
It is what it is.
Yeah.
So when we're not at the Twinkle Tunes laboratory, we lack the advantage of having the appropriate tools. I found this tiny hammer. It's adorable. It's bent. It looks like it's been abused and socially confused. Here, see if that will work for you. Little tiny hammer. Inferior tools when we're not at the laboratory. Is that working out?
It's working out.
It's working out. It's fantastic. And I didn't have to put my drink down. So that's when we adapt and we overcome the problems and challenges that we're coming across here. We got our little plates. We made these little plates. They stick on. It's gonna look great at night. So we'll show you at night. Stay tuned.